राजन सर
एक बार सबसे मिल लें बाइक से करते हैं एक कोई कहीं जा रहा है
हाँ हमारा बिजनेस है बोल जाओ मैम मैम आसिम ज्योति आसिम वाइट कॉफी वाइट हो जाए ये वाइट हो जाओ वाइट हो जाओ वाइट हो जाओ अरे सर थोड़ा फ्रेम में आ रहा है अरे शांताराम आजा पीछे आना पीछे थोड़ा पीछे अरे सेंटर में आना कौन है मैं थोड़ा मार जाऊँ ना एक फोटो ले लो जल्दी से ये करे अनुपमा का सिंबल ये है एक मिनट मैम ये हमने बॉक्सिंग वाला बनाया एक बार बॉक्सिंग कर लेते हैं बॉक्सिंग कर लेते हैं बॉक्सिंग कैसे कर रहे हैं प्रमोट देन अनुपमा ऐसे ये अनुराग भाई मैडम हाँ खड़ी ए फॉर ए ग्रेड वन मोर सर ओके मीडिया का क्या करना बनाएंगे और कोई लेटर one thing I start calling them congratulating them and then by the time I no what you do one thing where I comfort to regulate calls get them to the meeting I tell you the flow Arif yes you should come 1 hour early आप तो चल इधर आना है ये लोग इधर आ रहे हैं सर भी बोलते हैं exactly I come on stage I come first बारा सर आसिम बस
जाओगे बेटा तुम्हें मेरा लिपस्टिक लगा दी
थोड़ा पीछे Today is actually a day where we have to keep our fingers crossed and we have to kind of keep a low profile and see कि आज audiences देख रहे हैं ये शो, तो ये शो अपनी खुद एक किस्मत बनाएगा, खुद एक टीम उसकी जो मेहनत करेगी. So this time I won't say congratulations, all the best, you have done brilliant. No, आज ये audience बताएगी आज के बाद कि आप सबने कितनी मेहनत करी और audience को कैसा लगा है. So we need everybody's wishes and I'll just be very quick to recap this and because of COVID. But Pearl और मेरे लिए मेरी inspiration, मेरी सब कुछ है इशिका शाही and I'm so happy आज एक special इशिका का आज today this moment is very special for me and Pearl and I would like Ishika to come because she is my, everybody in my company knows DKP that Ishika is my motivation, my source of inspiration each and every day. और अगर मैं कुछ भी create कर रहा हूँ as a producer, as a maker, it's because of Ishika, my mom. And one person who has been, will be always a big pillar. जब मैंने ये episode देखना शुरू करा, I think few things are very important. Show सब बनाते हैं, होते हैं, और कभी-कभी thank you बोलना बहुत जरूरी होता है life में. So एक मुझे मौका मिल गया thank you बोलने का, एक इंसान को, वो है Pearl पे. क्योंकि मुझे याद है 1999 की बात थी और रूपाली जानेगी बेहतर and हमारे दोस्त सुधांशु जी जो उधर हैं, there are some common friends who have been associated with us I think since 99-2000. Rupali keeps on correcting me 2000 and I say 99. It was which year? 99. Rupali, I was right. Okay. अरे शूटिंग तो एयर पे आएगा 2000 में, बट शूटिंग 99 में शुरू होगी. चलो बाद में डिबेट करेंगे. So there I was a brilliant associate, a good, and I knew I would be a brilliant director. But I was not getting the platform or a chance, and I happened to meet Pearl, and I read a script of hers, and as first interaction I said, ये script मैंने पढ़ी है, You Love Stories आती थी इसी के अंदर, और बहुत खूबसूरत थी. My boss recognized me, writer ढूंढ के लाओ कौन, और मैंने फोन लगाया, बोले Pearl गिरे एक writer है जिसने लिखा है. So I met Pearl. And when I met Pearl, I said, yeah, she can write. Itni serious writing, itna wo, she's too young for this. And I'm talking, of course, at the time of 99, I said, no, she doesn't look the very serious writers with so much of depth and all. That was my, sorry. They say you should not judge a book by its cover. And then I said, Pearl, ek kaam karo, apni wo script na leke aao.
Yes,
So
yes,
I
he
thought-
did not trust me. He did not trust me
Arey,
that I was a writer.
no.
So he told me that, can you, how do you write? I said, pen and paper. That time, like, obviously no laptops. So I said, pen and paper. So he said, can you just get your script? So I went back all the way to get the written script just to show him, see, I had written this. You take it.
So, just few moments because besides that we never discussed all this. That मैंने script पढ़ी, I said तो handwritten है. Then I called for another script of I said writing same as somebody can't do that. And then when I started speaking to her, I understood. And then Pearl called me one day and told me, see, I am a showrunner of a show. उस वक्त भी concept हुआ करता था weeklies के time पे, जहाँ एक इंसान पूरे show को from channel side also, usually a writer or somebody who would have an in-depth knowledge would be a showrunner or a creative producer, writer. So Pearl then told me I'm a writer, creative producer and showrunner of a show, which I am being called Dil Hai Ki Mantani, and I would like you to direct it. So it is 1999 and 2020, somewhere the combinations have come back again. Writer, showrunner, and a creative producer, but then a director. Now I graduated to becoming a producer. So I remember हमारा पहला शो दिल है की मातानी जिसमें डेब्यू था रूपाली गांगुली जी का, जो आज अनुपमा के नाम से जानी जाती है. And so that is how our association grew or whatever, and had some brilliant work together. When Pratigya to Pearl ने script सुनाई, and she told me, Rajan, would you like to produce it? That time, would you like to direct it? Now produce it. And I said, this is one of the brilliant scripts I've heard through. Because it had a new texture, after Ye Rishta Ka Kehlata Hai, I Kote Kai Karte, and recently the last year launch of Anupama, which I really feel created a new texture in television. Man Ki Awaaz Pratigya already a cult show ban chuka hai. I mean, these guys have all, majority out here people have, Shanti ji, everybody, Pearl, Anupam ji, Aran, Pooja, and so many more out here have taken it to bigger heights earlier, So I said, it is a big challenge for DKP, and then of course, हमारे DKP के जो lions हैं, Arif, Vivek or Ranjit ji, then they came together and then the whole designing happened. Of course, I told Romy, Rishi, all the other pillars of the company that, you guys handle Ye Rishta and Anupam, why don't we get on to the next brigade? And of course, a lot of common people, Nikhil, everybody is here. And a brilliant, brilliant captain of the ship, Neeraj, came in the show. And Neeraj and his right hand, I don't know where they are. But anyways, so I was just going that it's a brilliant, brilliant feeling again. And I'm extremely, extremely proud to work with this brilliant team. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और आज से एक शुरुआत है नहीं, एक नई शुरुआत है and hoping that people like this show. And again, I want to thank कि हम लोग बहुत I think the beauty of director's cut production, which I hope we can live up to, and I hope you, your entire team, and I have kind of realized that हमारी जो बॉन्डिंग होती है, लड़ाई झगड़े भी बहुत होते हैं आपस में, वो प्यार वाले, but DKP stands for no matter what happens, we stand united as a team, through good times, through bad times. हम साथ में मेहनत करते हैं, कभी कभी लड़ते भी हैं, झगड़ते भी हैं, but I always believe that nobody is above a show. ये DKP का एक डिक्टम है और ये हर इंसान, यहाँ पर इतने खूबसूरत लोग आए हुए हैं, शिवांगी from ये रिश्ता, इंटाया, ऐसी शिल्पा, ऐसी शहजाद is there, everybody is there, twins, and AK3 की बिल्डिंग टीम आई है, millions, everybody is there. I can see a lot of people, of course, Anupama, Sudhanshu, everybody is come, and Rupali, and I think a lot of brilliant people have come, and they know, and all the people जो behind the scene काम करते हैं, चाहे रंजीत जी की टीम हो, विवेक की हो या आरिफ की हो, चाहे रोमेश जी की हो, सारी टीम्स जानती हैं that we believe that nobody is above a show, and no one person makes a show. एक टीम वर्क होती है जो शो बनाती है. So really want to thank that team spirit कि जो लोग आए हैं आज प्रतिज्ञा की टीम को, पर्ल की टीम को, हमारी टीम को, डीकेपी की नई फैमिली को कुछ दिनों से बहुत ही एक बॉन्डिंग हो रही है टीम्स की. So thank you guys for coming out here, and really Shivangi, it means a lot, Rupali, everybody. So Sudhanshu, it means a lot to me that you guys have come and you stand for the best, Ravi, the best in DKB here. Thank you guys. And I think Pearl should take over to introduce the team, and if you guys want to say something, we'll have a photo of them. Say no, इसके बाद तो audience ही बोलने वाली है.
No, I'll let the audience only say. And I just feel that it is very organically, we all have come together and good energies have come together. So that is why maybe I feel that. I feel very good energies around. And that is why maybe I love my first episode, second episode, third episode, fourth episode, till now. So I'm excited and I want people to be excited too. And I really feel, I'm really thankful to DKP. I'm really thankful to all the people who were there in Pratigya 1, who had been, who I called and they did not even hesitate to say yes. And they said, yes, of course. And so like, it all fell very well, and Shanti ji was so busy, and suddenly मुझे लगा था कि वो तो शायद मना ही कर देंगे, लेकिन उन्होंने भी हाँ बोला तो फिर everything fell up together. So that is why I'm saying the energies are very good, and I really wish and hope कि it does really really well.
ये एनर्जी सबसे अच्छी कहाँ से आती है? जो घर बनाया है अर्चना जी और विनोद जी ने फ्यूचर स्टूडियोज. हमारे हर शो के आते थे अर्चना जी, विनोद जी है या I mean really guys, I mean आपको टीम, I said प्रतिज्ञा टीम means everybody, निखिल कहाँ पर, आर्य, विवेक, रंजीत जी, आप लोग आइए ना. मतलब आप लोगों ने आज से डिसएसोसिएट कर लिया प्रतिज्ञा से कि बस फर्स्ट एपिसोड तक थे. Yeah, so I think the brilliant people जो DKP has created homes from Anupama. I mean so many, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे अनगिनत shows, हवन. बट आई थिंक अर्चना जी और विनोद जी की जो खासियत है, विनोद जी जो मतलब क्या था और क्या बन गया, अनुपमा का जो घर बनाया उन्होंने, घर दिया, आई थिंक वो जो ब्रिलियंस, आई वुड से दे आर होम मेकर्स, आई वुडंट कॉल देम प्रोडक्शन डिजाइनर्स और आर्ट डायरेक्टर्स एंड फ्यूचर स्टूडियोज. आई मीन दे क्रिएट होम्स. सो थैंक यू अर्चना जी, थैंक यू विनोद जी, अगेन यू मेड अ ब्यूटीफुल होम. दिस वाइब्रेशन आई थिंक 99% comes from the fact beautiful set you guys have created.
I want to thank Neeraj. I can't see Neeraj anywhere. Okay, he's planning. Like he's a workaholic. So कुछ भी होता है, he's always like busy.
He's a director.
He's a director and he has done a fabulous job. मतलब कि हम जो लिखते हैं, उसको एग्जीक्यूट करना, उस तरह से लेकर आना. He is helping in that entire Haryana dialogues and scenes and everything. So we are a team together, and let's grow together.
So, anybody would like to say? Sir, कुछ तो बोलिए, कुछ लाइन.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
बेटा करो.
ये प्रतिज्ञा 2 आया, हमारी सारी टीम को एक लाइफ मिल गई है और इसको भरपूर मजा लेके जीना है और लोगों का मनोरंजन करना है और आप सबका आशीर्वाद चाहिए कि हम लोग इसको बेहतर से बेहतर कर सकें. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Do we need to say, sir, 8:30 Monday to Friday?
मैं तो रोज बोलूंगा. आजकल तो मैं सोते समय भी यही बोलता रहता हूँ. पहले स्टार भारत बोलता हूँ.
Yeah.
मंडे टू फ्राइडे
Yeah, very
8:30.
good. Star Wars, 8:30. No, but we actually got the response here only.
Yeah.
We got amazing response. और हमने भी first time ही episode देखा है, तो after the edit, मैम why only my flashback करते हैं?
I was there.
You were there? Okay.
Ajay, you didn't. He was there. He didn't recognize
No, I
you.
could see the difference then.
Oh,
So.
you didn't realize the one we duplicated with you. Oh, now you're giving me idea.
No, but amazing episode, and obviously I would like to thank everyone, starting from Paul, ma'am, Rajan sir, and obviously Neeraj sir is not here right now, but like you said, he's a workaholic. He has done like amazing work.
Yeah.
He's been there throughout, working day and night. I don't know when does he sleep. I have no idea, but amazing, and thank you everyone for coming over. And
I'd like to say that, of course, everyone sort of good energies and everyone agreed upon for this show and everyone came together, yes. So I'm really, really happy and thankful that that happened. One major thing I wanted to say is that, of course, firstly, the writing, it's undeniable, the way it's written, the way it's been edited, and the way the music was given took the episode there. I mean, so I also saw the episode today, and I had goosebumps almost every 2 minutes. So to all the departments that I just mentioned, it was thank you guys. You guys did a fabulous job.
music was amazing.
I just want to say thank you so much, Rajanji and Paul. It's been a fantastic experience. My first time working with you guys, but I feel like I'm like family. And today, what I saw, I am really, really, really impressed. Felt like I'm watching a movie, a web show, definitely not a TV show, and it's just taking the level up a notch higher for a lot of other production houses to match this. And I think the audience is going to love it. So,
Yeah, it's
great
matching.
job, guys.
It's matching the standards of ये रिश्ता कहलाता है अनुपमा आइकुटिक. It's matching the standards. Anybody?
Kids.
Anybody from
Ashish, आप.
Sachin?
सुपर हैप्पी, सुपर एक्साइटेड और जो यहाँ पे रिस्पांस मिल रहा है, जो प्यार मिल रहा है, वो बहुत इंस्पायरिंग है और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मैं तो बस मुझसे ज्यादा ऐसे बोला नहीं जाता, तो बस अच्छा लगा, बहुत हैप्पी, बहुत खुश हूँ.
बस ऑन स्क्रीन में बोल दे वो.
थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू.
So I think we'll just get a photo and then I will get some photographs with the team of ये रिश्ता कहलाता है आइकुटिक and अनुपमा. Let's get a group photograph of the Pratigya team immediately. आइए, अच्छा लगा. Let's all come closer together. Keeping the mask around. Keeping the mask. Turning point, but then team made show. Pura episode is centric. First time when Vanraj Sudhanshu gets angry, it's the biggest turning point. But he said, "No, I will spend the time with Pratigya team." And it was supposed to be a full episode was going to be watched by the team together. But he said, "No, we'll spend with Pratigya." Shivangi and the Rishta team has to those early mornings, but they said, "No, sir, we will come and we want to be part with the Pratigya team." So Rumesh with his entire team has been shooting round the clock. days, early morning, very hectic since Shivratri ka. So thank you, Aikute team, all the, and I can proudly say that is why I give respect always. Rishi's also come. अब जो आज शो बनाने वाले सब तारीफ करते हैं, ताली मारते हैं, बट आप रेट्रोस्पेक्ट में देखो, लाइक द अदर टीम्स आल्सो टू जॉइन आर AKT teams, Anupama team and Ye Rishta team. Just come guys, we're a big PKP family. Come guys. थोड़ा आगे चले जाएंगे 5 मिनट जिसने इंटीग्रेशन किया है उनको फर्स्ट बिजनेस क्लास मिलने वाला है, आ जाओ. अनुपमा और ये रिश्ता ने इंटीग्रेशन किया है. Kids, just sit down. Where it, and today, yeah, so, I mean, really, yeah, we can catch the episode now. But really, I think Pratigya team की तरफ से thank you to the entire teams of Aikute, काय करते, ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है, and Anupama. Thank you guys. हो गया शांताराम? चलो. अच्छा, बाकी जो है टीम के ये रिश्ता, अनुपमा, एक आजकल बहुत कम लॉन्चेस हो रहे हैं, ठीक है ना? चैन शांताराम के लिए चैन शांताराम बिंदास रहे, क्योंकि कल मैं फुटबॉल देखूंगा रात को. हो गया शांताराम, अभी तो यार, अभी तो अच्छा, ओके, एक मिनट, जस्ट